And there you have it. Cornmeal porridge, fast, easy, and simple. Authentic cornmeal porridge. Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel and to my kitchen. Let's get right into making you some real Jamaican authentic cornmeal porridge. Come on and let's get started.
Jamaican, here comes the old boy Jamaican.
Okay guys, the first thing into making a really good cornmeal porridge in your kitchen is coconut. You're either going to get you a fresh coconut or you're going to get you a can of coconut, okay? Coconut milk, coconut cream. Don't use the coconut milk when you drink with your cereal. That's not the one. Fresh coconut or canned coconut. You're also going to need a can of sweetened condensed milk to flavor this thing up when your recipe is done. Now you're going to need your cornmeal, of course, and I have a cup of cornmeal in there that is fine cornmeal. You could choose the kind of cornmeal that you want to use for your porridge, but I like the refined one. You're going to use your vanilla. You're going to need salt, cinnamon powder, and nutmeg for this recipe. You're also going to need bay leaf, and you're going to need some cinnamon sticks. Alright? So that is what you're going to need to make this porridge. Let's put all these ingredients together. Alright guys, the very first step you're going to do before you put your cornmeal inside of your hot boiling water, you get a cup of cornmeal and you put in your coconut cream in there. And you mix that together. And make sure you mix it real good. Alright guys, yeah, in that pot, you want to start off with about 3 to 4 cups of water based on how many people I'm making for. Make sure before you put your cornmeal in that thing there, make sure say your water boil up just like that. Bubble up real good, because if you put cornmeal in a water when it bubble, your porridge will go lumpy. And if your porridge lumpy, don't blame me, say your porridge lumpy. So, okay, now we're going to pour our cornmeal mix into the... Okay guys, so now you see the texture of the cornmeal. Now if you don't want to have your cornmeal this thick guys, go ahead, add some more of that coconut cream in there. You could add milk in there, or you could add water just to give it the texture that you like. I do not like my porridge this thick. Actually nobody in my house like them porridge this thick. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some more water to it. Just keep adding water to it until you get the texture. That is the trick to making cornmeal porridge. It's not really measurements, it's how thick you want it. So that looks pretty good right there. I'm going to go ahead and spice this up. I'm going to put my cinnamon sticks in. Few bay leaves go in. Salt, cinnamon powder, and nutmeg goes in. Teaspoon of vanilla, and just mix this in. Now guys, your fire should be at medium heat. Give this about 20-25 minutes and cover it up and make it come to a real good bubble, and then you're ready to move on to your next step. Okay guys, so now my porridge has been boiling for about 25 minutes, 20-25 minutes. It's time to sweeten that thing up. Now, in that 25 minutes, if you still don't like the texture of the porridge, if it's too thick, go ahead and add you some water or some more milk or some more of that coconut milk in there. Alright? This one is fine. Now, you want to go ahead and shut that heat off. When you get ready to sweeten up this porridge, you have to shut that heat off, because if you try to sweeten this porridge with the heat on still, it's going to make your porridge watery, like water from the pipe. So you turn it off when you get ready to sweeten it. You add your milk in, and guys, make it your own. Make it your own, however sweet you want it, okay? And that right there is all done. I'm going to go ahead and put this on a plate. There you have it guys, my porridge is all done. I'm just going to top it off with a little bit more cinnamon on top of that. There you have it guys, my cornmeal porridge is all done. Fast, easy and simple, authentic Jamaican cornmeal porridge with coconut milk. Yes, a summer kitchen stainer. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe, like and share, no man. Let me know what you'd like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy. I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, a time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.